Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to make money as a teenager without a job. Yes, so are you ready to join the party? Make sure that you join the family. Subscribe to this channel for amazing opportunities that I share every single time. Yes, so I understand what it feels like to be broke. Yes, I've been broke before. Even though when I say I've been broke before, people find it difficult to believe. Yes, I have been broke before. I know exactly what it feels like not to have money in your bank account. It's a place I never ever want to visit again in my entire life. Yes, so if you're someone that loves to make money, just make sure that you join the family. Without further ado, let's just get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go.
Mariam A.
Now, do you know that you can do odd tasks? Yes, so and make money. In today's fast-paced world, time is a valuable commodity. Yes, so and you can leverage this to your advantage by offering your services, yes, to help other people complete their tasks. Thanks to apps like TaskRabbit, because you have the opportunity to earn extra cash by assisting people with a wide range of chores and errands. Now, TaskRabbit provides a convenient platform for individuals to post their tasks or chores without a specific price. Yes, so from assembling furniture to waiting in line. Do you know you can wait in line for somebody? Yes, you can wait in line and get paid. Now, these tasks actually encompass various needs that people require assistance with. Yes, so when you utilize your skills, availability, and reliability, you can get paid to tackle tasks that other people may lack the time or inclination to complete. Whether you excel in handiwork, yes, handyman work, organization, event assistance, or even providing general help, there are so many opportunities out there for you, yes, to take advantage of and connect with individuals in need of your services. You have the freedom to choose the tasks that align with your unique skills and interests, yes, and enable yourself to enjoy your work while you're earning a supplementary income. When you join TaskRabbit, you become part of a community that builds this. They value efficiency, trust, and reliability, and you can build a reputation for yourself and your brand. Yes, you can start building your brand, through quality service, promptness, and professionalism, and that can lead to repeat clients and positive reviews. Yes, and another way to make money is by posting on forums. Yes, so do you know that active engagement with the online community is a crucial aspect, yes, of building a successful website? Online forums provide an excellent platform for fostering this interaction. Now, companies are willing to compensate individuals for posting valuable content that boosts engagement and web traffic. So if you're looking for, to kickstart a side job, you can explore websites like Paid Forum Posting and mylot.com. They can offer paid opportunities for forum writing. Yes, so combining this side hustle with other revenue streams can make it a viable option. And just so you know, engaging with online forums not only provides a financial, benefit, but it also offers the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals. You can also share your expertise and contribute to meaningful discussion. Yes, by actively participating in forum writing, you can refine your own writing skills and potentially transform this side hustle into a fulfilling career. Another way to make money is by selling old books. Yes, so for avid book enthusiasts, selling books can be a profitable way to generate extra income. You can turn, yes, a profit by sourcing used books from a local thrift shop at a minimal cost and resell them at a higher price. The convenience of selling books online means that you don't even have to leave your home to make money. Yes, thanks to apps like Book Scouter, yes, and sellbackyourbook.com, you can earn money through book sales, and it has never been made easier. All you need to do is simply install the app, scan the book's ISBN, and instantly discover the highest price that you can sell it for online. When you utilize all these apps, you can conveniently assess the value of your books and find the best platform to sell them at a competitive price. Now, it allows you to maximize your earnings while enjoying the comfort of managing your business from home. So whether you have a collection of books collecting dust on your shelves, yes, or you enjoy hunting for literary treasures in thrift stores, these online platforms actually provide a great opportunity to monetize your passion for books. Another way to make money is by selling subscription boxes. Guys, with the increasing demand for subscription services, starting a subscription box business can be a highly profitable venture, especially considering the fact that the industry is projected to reach $478 billion by 2025. To kickstart your business, begin by selecting the products that you want to offer and then make sure that you price them competitively. Consider offering annual subscriptions too, yes, at a discounted rate compared to monthly subscriptions, just to encourage long-term commitments from customers. Another way to do this to make money is by setting up an appealing online store where you you can showcase your products using high quality photos to attract potential subscribers. Yes, profitability in the subscription box business can vary depending on the industry. The profit margin ranges from 40 to 60%. It's a highly lucrative business. It is important to also research and analyze the market to determine the appropriate pricing for your subscription box. Yes, and just so you know, the average monthly subscription cost falls within $10 to $40, depending on the perceived value of the products and the target audience. When you carefully curate your subscription box, providing exceptional customer service and continuously adapting to market trends, you can create a successful and profitable business in the thriving subscription box industry. Another way to make money is by selling courses and developing. Yes, you can develop and sell online courses. It's an excellent way, an opportunity for you to generate passive income as a teenager while you're sharing your expertise with other people. All you need to do to get started is, it's crucial to actually select a subject that you have high proficiency in, you possess in-depth knowledge of, and hold significant demand in the market. Once you have determined your niche, focus on creating valuable and high quality content that effectively teaches and adds value to your audience. Now, this content can include videos, articles, exercises, and other interactive materials that enhance the learning experience. Next thing you need to do is explore various online platforms to market and sell your course. And you can utilize your own website, leverage the power of social media, and take advantage of established online course marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare. When you implement effective marketing strategy and provide exceptional content, you can attract a wide range of potential revenue, potential customers, and generate revenue through course sales. The key is to continuously engage with your audience, gather feedback, and refine your course to ensure its quality and, of course, relevance. Guys, what else? What can be better than that? I have done all the homework for you. Start to apply for all of these amazing, juicy information I've shared with you guys. Start to implement all of these strategies personally. In my next video, I'm going to share with you some amazing secret websites that no one is talking about. These are things that I personally have done as well, and I made money from it, and I'm happy to share with you guys. The goal is to, to see you guys win and win real big. I'm rooting for you guys. So if you try any of these strategies that I'm sharing with you guys on my channel and it's working for you, please come back to this channel and give your testimony. Yes, sir. And that is it for today, guys. Making money, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you. I'm not confused that you can make money from the comfort of your home. I'm not sure I introduced myself yet. Okay, if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. Yes, just the way I'm going to also introduce myself. Please introduce yourself. How did you find my video? What do you do for a living? What is your name? Where are you watching from? Who sends my videos to you? Let me know so I can say big thank you to them in the comments. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you guys hold a special place in my heart. And to all of my Patreon community, my Patreon members, Kilo, Shelle, Gogono, thank you guys. I see you and I love every single one of you. If you want to join my Patreon community, please find the link in my description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you have full and direct access to me. We can discuss, you can get a free consultation, book a free consultation. In fact, the moment you join my Patreon membership, that's my welcome gift to you. I'll just send you my consultation form and then you can book a free consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And that's it for today, guys. Let me introduce myself. Wow, you introduce yourself. Sorry, before I forget. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to make money real big. Make sure that you tune into this channel every single day because there's always something new every day that I share with you guys on this channel. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure that you tune into this channel so you can turn on your notification bells, join the family, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, click on all so that you get notified. In my next video, I'm going to share juicy guys, secret websites, secret ways to make money that no one is talking about, no one is sharing with you. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. Take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.